Okay, I think I'm recording. Yes. All right, so I want to show, this is a video showing how to unmap a network drive, but why do you want to unmap it? Well, one of the reasons you want to unmap it, it may be because it doesn't work. For example, if I go to this network drive down here that I've mapped, right, which is my music one, I click on it, it comes up, not a problem. Okay, right. Okay, I'm going to shrink it up again, go back to something else and shrink it up again. Right. If I right click on that and say disconnect, not a problem, seems to do nothing. However, logically, if I click on it again, it comes up with this message, right, which says X is unavailable. If the location on this PC, is unavailable, make sure the device or drive is connected or the disk is inserted and try again. If the location on the network, if location is on a network, make sure you're connected to the network or the internet and then try again. If the location can't be found, maybe because it's been moved or deleted. It hasn't been moved or deleted, it's been disconnected. Right? How do I connect it again? Let's have a go again. If I go down here and say music and I right click on that, nothing says to connect, right? Okay, so the only thing I can do is get rid of it. Okay, so to get rid of this network, mapped network drive, one will logically think that I right click on it because that's how I originally connected it and it would be there. I can't actually go in and look at the drive. Actually, I can. Well, there's music down there. If I go there and right click on music, I can map the network drive, but I can't unmap the network drive. It's already mapped. In fact, if I try and map it, I don't think it'll map. Now it's grayed out. I can't unmap it, all right? So, okay, so I'm going to cancel that, all right? However, so what you do, as you do with all these cases, you go into Google, you do a search on it and find out how to do it, right? So I go to there, I go to unmap a network drive. I typed in unmap a network drive. It tells me how to do it. Click on this, click on Start and Windows Explorer. Click or tap on the computer on the left-hand pane. Click on tap on Map Network Drive on the ribbon. Next, click on Disconnect Network Drive. Okay, so I go down here. I go to that. That's where my music thing is. Doesn't really matter. I go to the computer. Actually, it doesn't say go to computer. It goes this PC, not the computer. Then up the top on the thing, it says Map Network Drive, but you can't just double click on that bit. You've got to click once on that bit, and underneath that, it then says Disconnect Network Drive. So you click on that, right now. It says working. It says, okay, there's the network drive. Okay, and it's not even there to disconnect. Was there last time? I'm Archer said. So even though the music one's there, it's not disconnected. It's not there to disconnect. All right. Perhaps it doesn't work if you're in Windows Explorer. So let's try coming out of Windows Explorer. Okay. Let's go. Well, we've got other versions of it running, so we'll close all them as well. Okay, close those. Close that one. Click on that. Close that one. Close that one. Let's start it again. See if I can do that same thing. Okay, I'm in the Explorer. Oh, now all of a sudden it's disappeared. There is no what's the name one for music. All right. When I disconnected it, that's interesting. This is another bug within Windows. There's a situation is if you do something in the file manager, the screen doesn't refresh to show you that you've done something. So let's try all that again. What I'll do is I'll go into my network, all right? So I'll go in again, okay? Up here, I can't find the network because it's not showing the networks, but if I double backslash and type in the name of my network, it'll connect to it, all right? I then go into music, right? I'll click on that. In fact, I'll open up the network here. It's an easier way of doing it. Okay, go to music, all right? Okay, and then I want to map the network drive. So I'll map it again. Map the network drive. Okay, it's drive X. Finish. Okay, in this case it refreshes the screen, and there it is. Okay, not a problem. That drive is mapped. Okay. So if I want to unmap it, I can't right click on there and unmap it. What I've got to do, as I said, is go to this PC, go up here to map network drive. Okay, click on that, disconnect from network drive. You currently have files open on X, can't disconnect it. Okay, I haven't got anything open. Have files open on X, connect to network drive music. I haven't got anything open. All right, got that. I haven't got anything open. I'll change the drive C. All right, more bugs. All right. Anyway, so let's do that again. All right, go to this PC, then go to map network drive, disconnect from network drive. Working now, it says it still didn't have any files open. I just positioned on it. Okay, where's the one that says music? Music. I click on that. Okay, and then I click on OK. There are currently files open on X. Do you want to disconnect? Yes, I will disconnect anyway. All right. Okay. There's no files open on X. That's another bug within Windows. So that's how there. However, notice it's still appearing there. Still appears. Still music on this is still appearing, even though I've unmapped it. There doesn't seem to be any menu option to do this, but I happen to know if I press F5, it refreshes the screen. So I'm going to press the F5 key. And there we are. Now it disappears. I can't find anything on this screen where it says it should be view. There should be a view option. It says refresh screen. There's nothing that says refresh screen. It should have refreshed it when I unmapped it. When I mapped the drive, it refreshed it. When I unmapped it, it doesn't refresh. More bugs. Okay, so there's the big problems in unmapping a network drive. By the way, you need to unmap a network drive when you do an upgrade to Windows 10. For some reason or other, when you do an upgrade to Windows 10, it disconnects the network drive. Right out. It still shows it there. You click on it and it says it's not available, even though it is available. So you've got to unmap it and remap it again, make it work. Bugs, multiple bugs, and they never get fixed. These bugs have been available for years. All right, so let's go back to Zoom. My meeting controls. I'll disconnect from here. I'm going to disconnect. Okay, end.